now let's go into the camera of the Honor 9N. In terms of optics, the Honor 9N features a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor with a 2.2 aperture. Alongside an LED flash, the camera also comes with PDAF and supports features such as HDR, time-lapse and burst mode. On the front, we got a 60 megapixel sensor that works with a beauty mode, and both the camera setup supports full HD 1080p video recording. Let's quickly go into some samples taken with this device. So I have copied all the photos in the PC. Here are some sample shots taken with the back camera of the Honor 9N and with the front camera as well. Here is a random shot taken with the back camera of the Honor 9N. As you zoom in, you can see that there is good amount of detail in the picture. Now this is a photo taken with the front camera. You can clearly see that the sky is completely washed out. This is taken with the back camera of the Honor 9N. This is a random shot taken with HDR off, and this photo is taken with HDR on. This is a photo in the panoramic mode. You can also see that there is good amount of detail in the picture. And this is a random shot. You can see that the sky is completely washed out, though it was a cloudy day, but I have observed that in many cases the sky was washed out. This is taken with the front camera. This photo is taken with the HDR on, and you can see that there is very good amount of detail in the picture. And this is with the HDR off. In every photo you can see that the white balance is not good and it was not looking as natural as it was, but I would say that the camera performs really well. This is a photo taken in the portrait mode with the camera. You can see that there are smudged edges in the picture. I would say the portrait quality is average. This is a photo taken in the macro mode, and there is good amount of detail. Here you can see that details are really good. The sky looks really blue in the picture, and you can see there is a little guy sitting on the flower, and you can see good amount of detail as well. This is some random shot. This is taken with the HDR on, and this is HDR off. You can see the difference. In this photo you can clearly see that the white balance is not adjusted here. This is a quite good shot and close to the reality. I would say the camera performance was average on this device. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, please do subscribe and like the video and share with your friends, because this will give me more